世界真心色，咱来记单呗。一般高响乐团在演出的时，观众拢是会点点啊听。因过伫单呗有一场音乐会、音乐节，是由狗仔配合乐团，乐团哪演奏的时，狗仔嘛哪飞，真特别嘛真古锥。
在着台顶指挥的动作，乐团搭咧演奏乐曲，搁搭配几只狗仔无共相应的叫声。这是单贝室内乐团演出的曲目，是有名音乐家莫扎特的父亲，嘛就是老莫扎特里奥德莫扎特创作的乐曲《帕拉交响曲》。
The symphony is in 3 movements, and in the last movements we will hear the hunt to begin, and we will have shootings, and then the dogs will start to bark around the scenes, and we will have 3 dogs on his signal that will bark around the orchestra.
为了紧做会当搭配指挥的狗仔歌手交响乐团，伫4月开始募定，会当听主人指挥发出叫声的狗仔，佮特别举行面试。现场有真侪主持嘛真用心，互新来的狗仔尽力表演，争取因上台表演的机会。
We like classical music very much in our family. And we have been to several of their concerts. And when we saw that they wanted dogs to audition to participate at this Haydn Festival, we thought that would be fantastic.
帕拉交响曲是一首以法国号甲管弦乐器做主角的乐曲，内容爱用庆声甲狗仔吠的声音来斗相共演出。伫管弦乐团甲狗仔主人过去一直演练配合之下，这狗仔伫正式演出的时阵，嘛互乐曲变甲更较好听特别。公司新闻台是董炳玉。